Got a serious look there.
That almost looks like you're getting ready to poop look. No, it's just sleepy look. That's what that is. Was you still sleepy? I went through sleeping. Was you not through sleeping? I can't believe you're so sleepy. You better not stay up playing all night playing with the girls tonight. You better go to bed.
Getting sleepies or something.
That's what she did earlier with us. You know, she got sleepy on eating.